It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on.
Welcome back to Outback Polaks, and it's week 8 or 9 of isolation. I can't even remember which week it is anymore, and the isolation period is going next week. Restrictions have been lifted. Fantastic. Hope you're safe and well wherever you are. While I've been sitting here at home, bored out of my mind, I've been going through some old hard drives, and I've stumbled upon some really old vlogs that I haven't posted yet. And this one is the HMVS Cerberus or Cerberus, I can't even remember anymore. Yeah, it's a shipwreck in Melbourne. We decided to get up one early morning at 7 a.m, freezing winter's day in Melbourne, and drive out to, I think it's Black Rock. I will put all the descriptions up in the YouTube video, so just check it out if you want the link of where it actually is. We took the drones out, flew around, got some amazing time lapses. It's a great thing to visit. There's quite a lot of shipwrecks actually in Melbourne and around the Port Phillip Bay area, including a couple of submarines, so I'm keen to check them out next time as well. Subscribe, like and share, enjoy the video, stay safe and well, and make sure you're looking after each other. Hopefully see you soon.
What's it there? What? The ship? Oh yeah. Cool man.
Oh.
Hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. For me, if I turn away to flee, oh, but there's something holding on. I need to stay. It'd be easier for me, oh. But there's something holding on with the way of being long gone. So hard to fade away. So hard to fade away. I need to stay.